the AstroAnt. That is a miniaturized robot that works in a swarm, so we can have a whole bunch of these on top of our rover. And it helps to make sure that our rover is safe and happy while it's moving along and deploying all these other instruments by taking data from the top of the rover. So it can tell us if there's a micrometeoroid impact on our rover, or if there is a hot spot, the sun's been hitting something too high. And then we can control the rover by sending it information to tell it where to go on this when it would be on the surface of the moon. Or here, where we're testing it to really push it to its limits, we can also control it with just a regular gaming controller. Later this year, we will actually be sending this to the moon. So this data is really important for us because this piece of hardware is going to be on the lunar surface at the end of the year.
The ANT, we're testing the performance of the motion system in a dusty environment. This landscape is a fairly close lunar analog. It's very dry. Lanzarote is a desert. Obviously, the moon is a desert. There's no precipitation there. We've been able to gather all the data we're looking for. We haven't seen that much dust having that much of an effect, so good and bad. On the motion system, we are actually seeing a little bit of wobble in this version, so that's something that we're going to have to correct. When we go back to base, we'll take all the data we collected, and produce another revision. We've been testing the node all week. It's a desert, and it's pretty much all rock. That mirrors many of the features we'd expect to see on the moon. It's been excellent. We've been able to gather all the data we're looking for. Just wonderful.